Here are the top 6 reasons why you'll never, ever buy a house in Jamaica.
Tony, am I frightened the people?
No, that's not
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell or buy or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be telling you 6 reasons why some of you will never ever buy real estate.
But if you see yourself in any of these reasons, join us on YouTube Live this Sunday, November 22nd at 5 p.m. We'll explore why you are stuck and cannot buy a house.
Then, we want you to stay with us on Zoom. So you're going to join us on Zoom at 6 p.m. same day, where I will teach you what your mother and father did not teach you about money, finance, and real estate. Stay with us. Here are the 6 reasons.
The top 6 reasons why you'll never, ever buy a house in Jamaica.
Tony, am I frightened the people? Let me know.
Why is Troy talking? Oh, they will
course.
never buy a house here.
Yes, and Tony actually came up and said, Mom, these are the reason why these people not buying any house, you know. Tell them, Tony, why them not buying any? What is the first one?
They don't save. They don't save no money at all. They get the $100,000 pay every month and spend it all. Not even a dollar they have to left after pay time.
I'm laughing now, but that is so true. How many of you got paid yesterday and don't have any money? Come on, guys. You are to save at least 10% of your pay every month when you get it. Better yet, save all of it. Find another way. Find another way. What is the second reason?
You're not prepared.
You're not prepared.
Yeah, not prepared. They won't even go and sign up the little NHD.
That's so true. You know how many of you have called? Oh, Miss Davis, I need help to sign up NHT. We say, yes, we bring you this, and we say, okay, send us this, send us that, do that, Tony, I will do it for you. And then what? Then we don't do it, we don't hear back from them. And they never sign up.
And they don't go and pay the money either. You just have to pay the money, 4 times per year.
Right.
They can't commit to doing that.
Exactly.
Again, because they're not saving no money.
You know, another thing, the pre-approval from the banks, like a Jamaica National, Victoria Mutual. People refuse to go and get pre-approved. Give the people your pay slip, your job letter, and these things, and let them tell you how much. Oh, you cannot go shopping and you don't know how much money you have in your pocket. Yeah, shop for house. House at $10 million. I say how much savings you have. Oh, me have 200,000. Me have 500,000. So where the rest of 9.5 million come from? You know, most at the bank get a letter we say 9.5 million. I will lend you 9.5. That is money in your pocket.
Exactly.
So you're not prepared, right? So you're not saving and you're not prepared. What is the third thing?
Some people want $30 million house and really can only afford $10 million. So they'll never find something to buy.
Exactly. Because you don't have champagne taste and beer pocket. Not even beer pocket, like Pepsi Cola pocket, right? You all live a $30 million house and you can only really afford a $10 million house. Now that did reach me in 1989 when I was trying to buy this house, my house in Spanish Town. Oh, and by the way, guys, we're actually in Spanish Town now. I tell you, I look on some bossy houses in Tony. I look on Jackson, Beverly Hills, Millsboro,
Cherry Garden.
Oh my God, that's even Portmore I could afford. Is when I wise up and my boss said, Claudia, house there Spanish Town I sell. Come buy one. I went wise up. I never even walk and look for home. I never even look on the house. I got the people in office paid all my money. And 6 months later, I go look on the house of them bill. Because I tell you, they go look money back. But guys, you have to just buy what you can afford. That's all it is. And really my motto is buy what you can afford until you can afford what you want. All right?
Right.
So that's it. That was number 3?
Right. Another one is that you don't want to work with anyone.
What do you mean by that?
Family, you could have joined with your mother and buy a house, but you just want to do it on your own. You want your own place.
Yeah, like as if you can't afford it.
You could have joined with your husband, but you don't want to join with him.
You know what I mean? Well, husband about baby father. You have 3 children, 4 children with this man, and you don't want to join for buy a house? Why
don't
people?
want the problem when we left.
Really? You don't want something for fight for when you leave? Me want something for fight. So me have 10 baby father, me I join with all of them. Cause me want 10 house. So me don't understand the guys. What's the other one? What is it? The 5th one?
This is the best one.
Yeah.
And buy show off things first.
Show off things
Yeah,
first.
man, the car, the shoes, the expensive hair, go party and floss every weekend.
Oh,
Show off things first.
I said Jordan
Can't
pushing
carry
the bed
clothes
round
to a
here.
party either.
Jordan, are you that?
Guys, let me tell you this from now. Do not be foolish, please. Don't squander your money on the women and ladies. Don't spend a bag of money on the man. No, get a house.
Get a
Somewhere
house.
to live in. You understand?
Yeah, you're talking from experience.
Yes, I
Oh.
can tell you that. I am now going through the hardships of trying to own a house at the age of almost 30 when I could have afforded
You could have afforded it.
5 years ago.
I got you. If you had made better decisions, right?
Yeah.
So you're earning the money, so spend it wisely. Don't spend it on rubbish, and don't spend it on things that go and mash up. As it move from the store, it mash up. You need to spend money on things that will outlive you, things that will last a long, long time, and hold on to the value and show all of the hard work that you go through, right? You have another one for them, Tonya?
Yes, and the final one is that you lose focus. You say, yes, 2020 is the year I'm going to buy a house. Then COVID hit and you just lose focus.
Yeah, or something else hit, like what?
It can be
A baby come,
They become,
you say you're going to get married, and you burn out the $2 million deposit, feed a bag of people, buy the wedding ring, and all these things.
right? Or you just stop saving or
Yeah.
stop looking at houses.
Houses.
Yeah,
You
just
mustn't lose focus. If your goal is to buy a house, it took me 1 year doing it, but I did not lose focus. First house, it took me 1 whole year to from my friend Patsy Claudia buy a house to me looking in the glean and going looking at houses. It took me 1 whole year. Part of the problem was I wanted to buy something I couldn't afford. That was part of my problem. And I didn't want to live outside of where I knew. Some of you grow up, yes, in that area, and you don't want to, oh, I'm Kingstonian. Oh, I'm born under the clock. Oh, you know? You're afraid to go Portmore, you're afraid to go Spanish Town, you're afraid to go St. Anne. Come on, guys. You know, I find moving so enjoyable. And if I buy the house, I don't like it, Tony, what we do? We sell it back and gone again. Exactly.
And you know, I think I found a bonus reason why people won't buy a house. Or they'll never buy a house.
Never, ever buy a house.
Ever buy a house. They have no patience.
That's so true.
These new developments are going up right now, and there's nothing on these lands as yet, but they said this is the price now. As soon as they drop the model unit, the price goes up. But if you had just gone in at the first stage, see the vision and buy into it, you could have waited the 12 months and get your house. But no, you are already done and you want it now, and you don't have no patience.
Instant gratification, that's what we call it. That's why men buy cars
Yeah.
and these things, because they want instant gratification for show off and say, oh, you know, this is, I'm driving up, everybody pull up and everybody see them, right? You don't want to wait. When I bought my first house, there was no house there. The people were actually showing me the model unit inside of the office. It's 6 months later, I go and I see the shell coming up and whatever.
I remember back in those days, the model units were those little cardboard looking houses, like diagrams that they made.
Of course, that they made and put on a desktop on a
Right.
table and show you. But you can't wait. I tell you, by the time when you wait for the people them start lay some block and steel, the price gone up. Instant gratification. And I have that problem with the lower income people. It's the lower income people who want things now. Why you can't wait? I don't have that problem with the people that want to buy the $30 million and the $40 million.
I know they understand the value of patience and waiting for something good.
So that is one of the things that you need to learn, which is why when you get your money, you can't save not no time. Because you want to run, go fast food quick. You want to go down a town, go buy slippers fast. You know what I mean? And all these things, you want instant gratification. No, you have to delay Have some patience, as Tonian says. You, Tonian?
Yeah.
You have any more bonus for them?
Not today.
Not today. Well, you see them 7 things that what she said? If that is you, you have to stop. If you want to buy a house, you have to stop. Or you will never, ever own a house, guys. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a beautiful Jamaica day. Bye.
She a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong with she. You can own house and a van through she. You can own acre land. Miss D a the real big woman. With she you coulda never go wrong.